Sophie had always felt like she didn't quite fit in. She had always been interested in science fiction and fantasy, and often found herself daydreaming about other worlds and parallel universes. It wasn't until she stumbled upon a mysterious device in her grandfather's attic that she discovered that her dreams were actually a reality. The device looked like a watch, but with a large, round face and intricate designs etched into the metal. It glowed softly when she picked it up, and she felt a strange, tingling sensation in her fingertips. She put it on, and suddenly found herself transported to a different world. At first, Sophie thought she was dreaming. She was standing in the middle of a bustling city, but the buildings were made of crystal and the sky was a vibrant shade of purple. As she walked around, she noticed that the people were all different too. Some had wings, others had tails, and many had strange markings on their skin. Sophie quickly realized that the device had transported her to a parallel universe, one that was vastly different from her own. She was thrilled and terrified all at once. She wanted to explore, but she didn't know how to get back. Over time, Sophie became more comfortable with her ability to travel between parallel universes. She learned how to use the device to explore new worlds and meet new people. She met an alien race that communicated through color, visited a world where time flowed backwards, and even found a universe where her doppelganger was a famous astronaut. But with each new world, Sophie found it harder and harder to come back to her own. She had become addicted to the thrill of adventure, and the idea of settling down in one place seemed unbearable. She knew she couldn't keep traveling forever, but the thought of giving it up made her feel trapped. In the end, it was a small act of kindness that brought Sophie back to reality. She met a girl who was lost in a universe without a way home, and she knew she had to help. Together, they worked to find a way back to their own worlds, and in the process, Sophie realized that the most important thing wasn't the adventure itself, but the connections she made along the way. Sophie still travels between parallel universes from time to time, but now she does it with a newfound sense of purpose. She knows that no matter how far she roams, there's always a way back home.